I'm gonna talk about Simon Sinek's Golden Circle. Hello beautiful souls, welcome to AK Vista. I am AK, your personal tutor. First of all, a cordial thanks to everyone who supported us. Our first video was released in June 19th on National Reading Day. The countenance on your face is the one and only energy which makes us more hectic always. We are here for you. We have been through a path where paved by the sublimed ideologies that would help to find those unanswerable questions in your life. Once again, so thankful to all for being a part of AK Vista. Simon Sinek's Golden Circle. Before explaining Simon Sinek's Golden Circle, you must know the unique corporate companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, they are explaining their business story by using this concept. Similarly, I'm also trying to explain my business story, which is why Funny Hub, how is Funny Hub, and what is Funny Hub. Let me begin. Let me answer the first question. Why? It is very simple but powerful too. As we all know, because of this pandemic situation, social gatherings are restricted, schools are shutting down, and hence children are locked in their homes along with their creativity too. So, this virtual platform is a practicable paddy for pouring their creative seeds. We are moving on to the next question, that is how, right? Here we are introducing a new virtual program. The name of that virtual program is Funny Hub. There has a question hanging on. It's a virtual ground for fostering skills and potentiality of those who are seeking an appropriate steps to uplift their caliber. Are you ready for it? So, we are moving on to the last question, that is what? It's very simple. Are you a different one who has a potential but thinking of what if I do something, or a person who has never got an opportunity to express your creativity? It is for you, only for you to elevate and encouraging those flares which lies down in your heart. So I believe that you can clear all the answers of why, how and what this virtual platform. Okay, so this is the business story of mine, and I hope everyone enjoyed this video. And so in the next video we will meet again. Till then, bye bye, take care.